This slide introduces the topic of wall treatments and finishes for the course 24 IDC 104J, Materials, Construction and Finishes. This slide defines what a wall is: a vertical structural element used to enclose, divide, or support spaces in buildings and other constructed environments. It serves multiple functions. This slide poses the question, what is a wall? Walls are fundamental architectural elements critical to building design, functionality, and structural integrity. This slide explains the purpose of wall treatments. Wall treatment refers to the process of applying various materials, finishes, or techniques to walls to enhance their aesthetic appearance, functional performance, and protective qualities. This slide highlights the factors to be considered for wall treatment. This slide presents the advantages and disadvantages of wall treatment. This slide introduces the major classifications of wall materials used in interiors. This slide discusses natural materials, specifically wood. Wood is widely available in various sizes, textures, and grades for interior design. This slide continues the discussion of natural materials, focusing on stone. Stone is available in a range of sizes and finishes like tiles, slabs, and cut pieces. This slide continues the discussion of natural materials, focusing on bamboo. Bamboo is known for its sustainability and unique aesthetic, available in panels and other forms. This slide continues the discussion of natural materials, focusing on clay. Clay is used for bricks, tiles, and pottery, with options for different colors and textures. This slide continues the discussion of natural materials, focusing on cork. Cork is lightweight and insulating, available as tiles, sheets, and other forms. This slide transitions to composite materials, starting with laminated panels. Laminated panels combine materials like wood and plastic, available in many designs. This slide continues discussing composite materials, now focusing on engineered wood. Engineered wood is manufactured from wood composites, consistent in size and quality. This slide continues discussing composite materials, now focusing on reinforced concrete. Reinforced concrete is stronger than standard concrete and can be customized. Concrete is a mixture of cement, water, and aggregates that hardens over time to create a solid, strong substance. It's used in all sorts of construction projects because it's affordable, durable, and can be molded into nearly any shape. This slide continues discussing composite materials, now focusing on fiber-reinforced polymers. Fiber-reinforced polymers are lightweight yet strong, used for specialty applications. They are composite material made of a polymer matrix reinforced with fibers. The fibers are usually glass, in fiberglass, carbon, in carbon fiber-reinforced polymer, aramid, or basalt. It is scratch-free, thermal-resistant, fire-resistant, and UV-resistant panels. This slide discusses sandwich panels, which are layered materials providing insulation and structural properties. A sandwich panel is any structure made of 3 layers, a low-density core, PIR, mineral wool, XPS, and a thin skin layer bonded to each side. PIR is a foaming material made by reaction of isocyanate with polyether after the catalyst. Mineral wool is a mix of raw materials, mainly comprising either stone or silica, which are heated to a high temperature until molten. XPS foam, its core material is closed-cell extruded polystyrene foam, and its skin material has a variety of options. This slide transitions to manufactured materials, starting with drywall/gypsum board. Drywall is a ubiquitous building material available in standard sizes and thicknesses. This slide discusses plasterboard, similar to drywall, available in various sizes and finishes. Drywall, also called plasterboard, dry lining, wallboard, sheetrock, gib board, gypsum board, buster board, turtles board, slap board, custard board, gypsum panel, and gyprock, is a panel made of calcium sulfate dihydrate, gypsum, with or without additives, typically extruded between thick sheets of facer and backer. It provides fire protection, acoustic insulation, and thermal efficiency. This slide discusses concrete panels, cast in custom sizes and shapes, suitable for walls and floors. It is a mixture of cement, aggregates, water, and sometimes additional additives, creating a solid and durable material with exceptional strength. Plain base panels have 3 steel reinforcing bars and have a smooth finish. They come in 2 sizes, 6 feet by 1 foot or 6 foot x 6. Panel thicknesses are available from 8 inch to 12 depending on product type, finish and amount of insulation. This slide discusses fiber cement board, which is durable and weather resistant, available in panels. Fiber cement boards consist of a composite material comprising of reinforced fibers, cement, sand, and silica. It is non-combustible and has various applications such as cut, molded. It has resistance to fire, water, moisture, and heat. Available in 2 different sizes, 6 ftx 4 feet 6 mm, 8 mm, 10 mm, 6 foot x 8 feet, 10 mm, 12 mm, 18 mm. This slide discusses metal panels, which provide a sleek, industrial look in sheet or tile formats. Metal composite material panels are formed by joining 2 sheets of painted or natural metal sheets, typically aluminum but can also utilize other materials like steel, zinc, copper, stainless steel, or titanium, and bonding them to a polyethylene center. This slide discusses metal panels, which provide a sleek, industrial look in sheet or tile formats. This slide transitions to semi-natural materials, starting with compressed agricultural waste, made from recycled organic materials, eco-friendly. This slide discusses recycled materials like glass, plastic, or metal in new forms, eco-friendly composites, blends of natural and synthetic materials, sustainable and sustainable panels, designed for long-term use and minimal environmental impact. This slide discusses vinyl, a durable, flexible, and water-resistant material. Available in sheets/rolls in various sizes for flooring, wall coverings, and upholstery. It is a type of material that is used to cover surfaces, such as walls, floors, and furniture. It is durable, easy to clean, and comes in a wide range of colors and patterns, making it a popular choice for modern design. This slide discusses plastic panels, lightweight, versatile, and come in a range of colors/textures. Standard panel sizes for walls, partitions, and furniture. Also discussing acrylic, transparent, shatter-resistant material used for furniture, lighting, and specialty applications. Comes in sheets and custom sizes. This slide discusses polycarbonate, tough, impact-resistant, and transparent. Used for windows, skylights, and specialty panels in various dimensions. It is a thermoplastic polymer that is strong, tough, and lightweight. Also discusses fiberglass, durable, low-maintenance material for panels, tiles, and other interior components. Customizable sizes and finishes. It is a composite material made of glass fibers that is used for insulation, reinforcement, and other applications. It's also known as glass-reinforced plastic. This slide introduces the topic of wall finishes. This slide defines wall finishing as the final touches placed on a wall that finishes the wall with an acceptable visual look. This slide outlines different types of paints, including whitewash, used on cement plaster walls and ceilings, dry distemper or water bond distemper, used on cement plaster walls and ceilings, oil bond distemper, used on cement plaster walls and ceilings, plastic or acrylic emulsion paint, used on cement plaster walls and ceilings, textured wall finish, used on interior or exterior wall surfaces, synthetic enamel paint, used on metal, wood, and can also be done on walls and ceilings. Epoxy paint, used as a protective coating where lots of chemical resistance, hardness, adhesion is needed, and flat oil paints, used on metal, wood, and walls but with less glazing than enamel paints. This slide discusses cladding, which has been used on homes for decades to protect the outside from harsh weather. This slide defines wallpaper as a kind of material used to cover and decorate the interior walls of homes, offices, and other buildings. It is one aspect of interior decoration. This slide provides links to videos about wall texture making.